Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a 25 pack of 9x13 aluminum pans. They come with lids. The holidays are coming. Put a bunch of these in your cart. These are great for holidays because you can cook in these and then just throw them away. Or what I do is repurpose them for after the meal, and then people take like a family size leftover home in these. These are really nice, high quality, and they are strong. You can see the edge of this is really strong, not easily bent, which is really, really great. And the lids are great. I love that the lids easily fit on top. And then you push the sides under and you're set. This is so much easier than the kind that like the paper part goes on top and then you crimp it. No, you want the lid. Trust me, you can thank me later. So you get 25 of these and they are all nesting, which is incredible. So I have some leftovers that I'm heating up in the oven. Let's get those out. Okay, here we are. And then you just open it up and voila. These are amazing. I think the quality on these is incredible. You can never have enough of these. I'm telling you, for the holidays, these are great for transporting cookies. These are great for if you are taking your neighbor dinner one night because they've had a new baby, for lasagnas, all of the things. Absolutely love these. Links are below. Put them in your cart.